Morning workout. Just trying to keep fit this morning. I walk for a distance to reach my destination. So my destination is not that. It's far though. Yeah, it's not that far, but it's far though. So it's quite a distance that someone can walk out. So all my YouTubers, all my family on YouTube. This is what I was drinking now. It was for, was it for typhoid? This, this, was it for typhoid? I can't really remember. Can't really recall because it was for. Okay, when I reach home, I'll ask my wife. So morning workout. Sometimes it's not always you wake up in the morning and you see yourself. Maybe you're on bike, or you are driving, or you're just getting from one bus to another. At times, it's good for you to take some time and do some exercise. Work out, and then free yourself. Allow your body to feel good. Let your body feel this the strength, all right? Because at times you're always in your car and you don't want to exercise your body. At least it makes your blood to flow easily and helps you to be sound. And sometimes when I don't work out for some time, if I'm working out, I'll be so tired. I'll be so tired, and if I do anything little, I'll just be feeling so tired. Yeah. So at times, I take a little time to work out and then free myself so that my body will feel good and then my blood will flow. Once again, good morning, guys. Thank you for joining my live stream. It's good to have you here. You are so special to me. Anybody that comes to my life anytime, any day, even if you stay for 1 second, I'm happy to always have you on my life. Some of you don't miss my live video. You're always here to cheer me up, and seeing you on my screen, watching me, it makes me feel good. I have a beautiful family here. So guys, let's keep supporting this channel and then don't give up. So I may be breathing hard because I'm working out. That's why I'm breathing like that. But it's not cause for alarm. It's just to make my body feel good, and it makes me to be fit, yeah, physically fit. Yeah. So it makes me happy. Like sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you feel the strength in your body. Yeah, you may be tired at times, but it helps you to have that strength in your body, and then allow the blood in your body to flow. Today is Sunday, and Don said, "Oh, you're not going to church, you are here doing live video." Yeah, I'm going to church. I'll go, but I have to do this. Okay, let me show you. See the road? Can you see the road? Don't think I'm just standing somewhere or I'm using green screen to deceive you guys. Please like, share, comment, and let's see how you feel. If I may ask, do you work out in the morning? Do you do some exercise? Because exercise is very, very important. So, do you work out in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? Or you just wake up and then eat without exercising? But it's very, very important for us to exercise. You know, it makes our body feel good, feel the strength, blood flow, makes our heart to function better. So everybody needs exercise, not just only me. But yeah, write something in the comment section. Let's see that we know that people are here watching us. You can write in your language. You can write in any language. We'll understand. Google will help us to translate. I'm happy that YouTube has given us this beautiful opportunity to stream live at any time. You don't need to gather gadgets and a lot of things before you start streaming. Whatever you have, little. Look at me, using my phone right now. I'm streaming as I'm working out. So it's great, it's lovely. I love it. I want to follow. Okay, let me follow this way. Yeah. It's great, it's beautiful, I love it, and I love using YouTube. I love YouTube, and I will advise you, if you're on YouTube, don't be somebody who is just coming to watch. And if you have something that you can share to people out there so that people can learn from you, yeah, you too, you can have your own YouTube channel. And so to start is not always easy, because sometimes you are scared. What are they going to say? Are people going to love my videos? Am I going to make mistakes? Yeah, when you make mistakes, it helps you to correct yourself. So to me, making mistake when you are making videos, there's no big deal about that, okay? So I will encourage you guys, if you have something to offer, yeah, people are searching for what you have, but keeping it for yourself, not sharing it to people, it doesn't make sense. So I will encourage you to share your ideas, share your abilities to people on YouTube to see, or to the world to see. Because a lot of people come to YouTube like every day. Not one, not two. Sometimes people are here on YouTube searching for things, and you have the answer to all those things. So why don't you pick up the camera, pick up your phone, do a video, and then post it on YouTube. It's very nice. So back to my workout story. As I'm working out now, I feel very, very good, and I'm so happy, because it's giving me strength. And normally I would say, okay, let me just take a bike or just use a bus to get to my destination, but I said, no, that's not good. I need to work out. Yeah. Okay, you want to see where I'm going? All right, see, this is the road. Today is Sunday morning, so the road is kind of empty. There's nobody on the road. There are people on the road, but not that much. So to me, the road is as good as empty. So just take something and then walk out and feel good and share with you guys, because you are my family and I love you, my YouTube family. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what we do here. If you think that, well, this is a place for you to be, subscribe, comment, share. And if you want to be a member for special videos and all of that, you can apply. You can just be one of our members. Yeah, you belong to the family. It's easy. It doesn't take much to belong to the Benue family. And I believe when you join the family, you will not regret why you join the beautiful Benue family. As I'm moving around, I feel good in my body. I can see the blood flowing, So it makes me feel good. And if you are here watching me, and let me know if you exercise like every morning, every evening, you just exercise to feel good, make your body feel relaxed. Let us know, because exercise is what we need. Exercise is what the body needs. And let me tell you a secret, yeah. When you're exercising, your body will be telling you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But you don't know, because you don't give attention to your body. It will be telling you, thank you for exercising, So some of you always come anytime on this live stream. And one thing about live stream, people come, they come and they look at it, okay, I don't have interest in this one, they will go. But those who have interest on the live stream, they will stay. And some, they say, what am I doing? I don't like this one. But some people will come, will stay from beginning to end. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to share. And do not forget to follow me. Let me show you the road where I'm walking out, so that you can see. Some of you are tired of seeing my face. So you are saying, why is he putting his ugly face here? Not like I'm ugly, it's because of the phone camera is not bright. Yeah, you may think that I'm ugly, but not. No ugly, man. It's a phone camera, y'all. Yeah, I tell you. It's good. So now, I'm like almost tired already. But I can't stop. Can't say because I'm tired then I will not move again. I have to keep moving. Yeah. Let us focus on the road. It's not easy, man. Well, if I do this tomorrow, you'll see a lot of people who will be here jogging. But it's because today is Sunday, so everybody is almost like They are going to church. So that's why this road is kind of empty. If not, you would have seen a lot of people here. So great people. Okay, let me do this video to see I reach my destination. Yeah. So just stay tuned. I want to buy a laptop. Hello, Joy. Good morning. I do. All right. So please, can you keep that laptop for me? I need you to keep it for me now. Ending of this month, ending of next, maybe towards ending of next month. I need it to, but as I'm here, I'll be sending you money. But as me, I'm your personal man. Let me give you 200 now. I know Ikeja, but I know you better than Ikeja. So wait, you are calling me darling. You are still saying I'm mad in a romantic way. I wanted to enjoy the talk. The next thing you said, I'm mad in the talk. You cursed me. You cursed me in the talk. I did not even know. It was because I'm a sharp guy. If not, but I need a laptop because on my laptop, if you render something, it will take how many years before the thing will render and finish. Tell me. So like, which one is that? Okay, boys. My own. The two is okay for me. I'm not rendering 8K videos. I just you see. So what I will do, I will sell all my 3 systems. I have 3 systems that I want to sell. I will sell all of them, and then get the money. It won't take time. Please don't sell it to anybody. I'm begging you. Say just write sold out. Just say sold out because I need that system. See, like the video that we shoot now, that one that you did for me. If I put it on my system, the thing will not even show. The audio will not. It will not play. The thing will just be looking at me. Sometimes, when when you upload a video, at times when you upload a video and you see, what do you call it? You see, sometimes when you put a video on your screen, you see, at least you see the picture of that video. The thing will show like audio on my system. There will be no picture, nothing. So, because of that, I really need something that is strong, and it makes me, sometimes when I'm editing, like the video of, I did a video of how many minutes? Nothing less than 10 minutes. It took those video like 3 hours to render. And when I put it on this Ome, before you know, 4 minutes the thing render finished, 20 something minutes. So I need a fast system that will serve me. But please keep it for me. I will buy. I'm buying. So when I come back, before I come back, I don't send you money, sir. And you know, say this